What's good, guys? Real Trader here, back with another video. Today we're gonna talk about yesterday's trading day. So my second trade recap after my last video, which was a trade recap of 2 days ago. 2 days ago, now we're going to go into detail of my trading day of yesterday, where I did a very nice trade. I was very proud of myself. I think it was well executed, and we are going to go into replay mode for this, so I can show you what happened live when I was preparing that trade and executing that trade, so you can listen to my thoughts and all my targets and objectives while I was doing the trade. So as you can see, when this happened, I started to look for the trade, because as you can see, we've came up quite a lot, and I was looking for a pullback around this area right here. I mean, we could have just pumped through, but if we see a nice bearish divergence on this level, I would like to get short, and that was the reason why I was looking for a short on this area, because you can see we have a daily resistance level, which is the blue horizontal line, and we are creating a bearish divergence on the 15-minute and 30-minute time frame. As you can see, we have this candle close right here on the 15-minute. I can show you live again right here. I do it in orange. And okay, why didn't... Oh, hold on. Orange. And as you can see, we made a higher candle close, as you will see, but a lower low on momentum on the RSI and on Market Cipher. You can see it on the 30-minute as well. 1 hour kind of, yeah, as well. And yeah, that was my target. That was what I was eyeballing at. So let's jump into the lower time frames so you can see it better, because I was trading it on the 1 minute. I was very, very precisely on that one. So let's go down to the 1 minute. When I knew that we should reject at this level to create the bearish divergence on the 30-minute and on the 15-minute, I was looking to get a short when we get a nice grab for liquidity around this area with a bearish divergence on the lower time frames. So we will see how it plays out. As you can see, we had this kind of double bottom right here, double top, I mean, but we didn't really create a bearish divergence, or it wasn't really strong enough. We didn't violate that high here to create a nice bearish divergence. So I waited longer, and as you can see, we didn't violate that trend line yet. Now we broke this trend line, and we were coming closer to that trend line. So I was, in my mind, I was looking for push through to grab that liquidity right here to violate this high and reject off this daily level. As you can see, we did that right here, did get a rejection. And if I'm thinking correctly, yeah, let's put on Market Cipher A, the moving averages. I was getting short in here at the rejection, I think. And for targets, I was looking for Fibonacci retracement levels. So I pulled a fib from right here to right here, and was looking for some targets around in this area. So my final target would be the 618 fib. My first profit target, the 38.2. As you can see, we had some confluence with some supports in here. So I was getting short in here. Let's go to the 1 minute. Yeah, and as I saw that we came up again and rejected off the daily daily resistance level, I was quite confident in the trade and put my stop to down here. I think my average entry was around this area. Yeah, it was actually at exactly this height. So that was another advantage yesterday because I saw the rejection of this trend line here, got in short, and when we came back and retested that daily resistance, I and rejected it. I was confident in for this level to hold that I can put my stop loss to there and basically have a risk-free trade. And also, while we were coming down right here, I was drawing a trend line right here. So we had basically a double top forming, or a top forming, not a double top, but it's a rejection of this area here right now. And we have this neckline where we found support, and then fell through, retested, and dumped. So I was quite confident, or my plan was in my head that we should reject, if we come back, we should reject off this level right here. So let's see how it played out. Wait, you can see we came back for the retest. I sized in more, so I was in a position like 35,000 contracts right here. Then added on 15,000 contracts, so about 50,000 in short, 50,000 USD in short, and yeah, added to my position on this retest. This actually worked out beautifully. We rejected that level. I still had this kind of risk-free trade because my stop loss was here, and I was in the nice position. We can see on Market Cipher on the 1 minute, I liked that we curved down into the red, so that was another confirmation also. Also on the 15 minute, you can see how the bearish divergence formed and beautifully played out as we had this high right here on the orange line and made a lower low on the RSI but a higher high on price. So the bearish divergence confirmed within all this 1 minute price action that I was looking for. So I had a plan on the 15 minute and on the 13 minute and executed it on the 1 minute to get the right precise entry and precise exit. So I had basically a risk-free trade. It was running. My first profit target got hit, so I took around like 75, or yeah, actually a lot, 75% of the trade right here. Then took another I don't know, 15% right here, and just took like 10% or held 10% opened, and we came back to to the 618 fib. That was my final profit target, and overall in the whole trade I made like $600, and I was actually very happy with the trade because it was well thought out, well executed. The risk was very small as I was really planning and executing it carefully and precisely, and yeah, we got this nice bearish divergence, we called it. It played out. we came back to the 618, which is a beautiful profit target. I could have left more open for the take profit 2 and 3 right here, because I took too much profit on the first take profit line, but that's okay. It was still a very nice day. And after that, as you can see, that was actually the bottom, and we started pushing higher. So I was there for the trade, attacked right there when it happened, and got out when it was done. So that was actually a beautiful trade I wanted to share with you. That was a trade recap for my trade of yesterday. And in the next videos, we will recap my trading day of today, and maybe do some analysis for the next couple days. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.